Welcome to Monthly Math Moment, the web series where we take a quick glimpse into the modern elementary math classroom. I'm your host, Amanda McIntyre. With spring in the air and summer just around the corner, we're going to switch our focus in this second season to how you can bring the love of learning math into your own home with Mathematizing. Mathematizing is taking common routines and tasks and thinking about the math that's in them. But before we get into Mathematizing, let's deal with the elephant in the room. If your child's teacher wants you to help with math at home, why not just send math homework? That's a great question. The truth is, the research shows that at the elementary level, regular math homework just doesn't work. If you're interested in learning more about homework, check out our bonus episode, Where's the Homework?, to learn more. Nightly worksheets may not have the effect that your child's teacher wants them to have, but parent involvement does. That's where Mathematizing comes in. Today we're going to talk about Mathematizing one of my absolute favorite things, games. Games improve motivation, encourage teamwork, give immediate feedback, provide a safe environment for experimentation with numbers and strategies that promote decision making, and the list goes on and on. So here are a few of my favorite games to get you started. First off, card games of any kind. Card games involve number recognition, sequencing, addition, and even some more advanced math concepts like probability. My personal favorite is cribbage. But if your child's not ready for something that advanced, start with a simple game of Go Fish. Spot It may not look like a math game to start with, but recognizing the commonalities and differences between shapes and patterns is an important part of geometry. If you have an older child, encourage them to try to figure out the math behind making a Spot It deck. It's much more difficult than it seems. Have a student who's ready for negotiation and strategy? Games like Settlers of Catan can be challenging for the entire family. It can get really competitive, but strategy is key to winning. So take a look around the games that you have in your house. If you need more inspiration, all month long I'm going to continue to put out shorts with games for you and your family to try at home, probably every week. There's also a list of common games, like Monopoly, that has how they show math in them, so that you can really be thinking about the mathematizing while you play. Next month, we'll look at mathematizing children's literature, maybe even ways to bring math into your bedtime routines. Until then, thank you for tuning in to this month's Math Moment.